Hey guys, and welcome back again to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be preparing the materials to do a sign. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm also going to show you how I cut those materials. So if you're interested in learning about that, just keep watching this video.
So the material that I use for my actual sign board is this brown hardboard, and I find it at Lowe's in the molding aisle. And as you can see, it's an 1/8 inch thick and it's smooth on both sides. For my framing boards, I use these furring strips. I find them back there in the back at Lowe's next to all the lumber, and they do come in packs of 6 for a little bit cheaper price, and they're 3/4 inch thick and 1.5 inches wide. When I cut my sign board, I always add an inch to whatever my design was, so an inch to the length and an inch to the width. That way I'll have enough room to staple to my framing. On this kind of material, it's nice because I don't need a table saw. I just use a box cutter and score a line using a ruler, and then I just place it on the edge of a table. If there's any jagged edges, I just use a piece of sandpaper and it sands right off. I marked the framing 2 inches longer than the sign board. I'm going to be cutting these on a 45-degree angle. So the last materials that I need to finish my signs are paint and stain, and I just used the Minwax stain in the color Jacobean. I like this color a lot, but I do use other colors also. And I just used this white flat paint. I just happened to get at Walmart, but any kind of white flat paint will do. And then finally, I just apply 1 coat of stain and let that dry overnight as well.
So that is all the major materials that I use to make all of my signs. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I place the stencils on the sign, and I'm going to give you some tips to make that go as smoothly as it possibly can. So then we'll put all the signs together for a finished product. So I hope you will join me in the next video, and I will see you then.